NVTS stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onwards. So in this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether this is a buy or not for me. With having done 40,000 videos and 5 years into the game, you bet I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And it's not just like what's working. I actually have everything documented, so you can check it all out on my YouTube channel. As I'm just looking at NVTS, I was waiting for a double break and I actually got the double break, which in this case was like a risk-free opportunity since 565. So I can tell you one thing, and that it's like a risk-free. It's a guaranteed plus 0R. But that's ultimately what all this ends. You know, it's just a 0R. So yes, I will continue to keep you updated. I do have a lot of previous receipts here in the Discord as well. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and you know, I'll continue to keep you updated. But actually looking quite all right, quite good. You know, not gonna just force stuff. It's not even supposed to be there, if you know what I mean. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. And yeah, it's been definitely a great call out here.